For me as an artist, it's a pretty lonely practice. Most days you're in the studio, all your thoughts are kind of in an echo chamber. We're working with a neuroscientist here in Fiji, and I'm really interested to get into the data of happiness and translate it into my work.
When you're doing something creative like painting or making art, you need a lot of divergent thinking. You need to get your ideas from the world around you and bring it all together. We know that it's easier for you to do that when you have slightly more dopamine in your brain, and happier people have more dopamine.
Being surrounded by another culture, being welcomed into someone's village, in the kava ceremony, smiling faces, singing, it's so overwhelmingly inspiring, and I could instantly feel kind of my heart rate drop. I instantly felt comfortable, I felt accepted.
Even the simple act of saying bula gives you that emotional connection and that feeling of belonging.
Meeting the kids and having that pure sense of joy, drawing with them and hanging out with them, like it just gives me a sense of happiness. I've been to a lot of countries in the world and I think this place is really special.
A lot of huffing and puffing. Good fun though.